In this lecture, we will talk about a website from where you can download royalty-free music which you can easily use for your YouTube videos. The website name is bensound.com. As you can see, this is the home screen of bensound.com. Here we are in the category of royalty-free music. You can see different categories are there: acoustic, cinematic, corporate, electronica, urban. There's so many categories are there. All the music has been displayed here. Suppose if you want to download any music, suppose we want this music, A New Beginning, then we'll click this option. Now Bensound provides two kind of licenses: free Creative Commons license and second is Pro license. Pro license is paid, where you don't have to give any credit to the Bensound team. Here we are talking about using it as a free music, so you can use it under Creative Commons license. So for this you have to give credit to bensound.com. It's very easy. In the YouTube video description you just have to write music from bensound.com, or you can also write royalty free music from bensound.com. In this way you can use this music in your YouTube videos and you will not get any copyright strike for this. So this is how you can download free music from bensound.com. I will see you in the next lecture with a new website from where you can download free music for your YouTube videos.